Good morning, ladies, and happy Monday. We're going to go ahead and get started with our new CGI story poem for the day. All right, so let's go ahead and read this. It says, at the stadium, the fans can choose between hamburgers or hot dogs for lunch. I'm already hungry. 93 fans chose hamburgers and the rest chose hot dogs. If 141 fans ate lunch, how many fans chose hot dogs? So I went into my cubes. I circled my numbers. I have 93 and 141. I underlined my question. How many fans chose hot dogs? And then I boxed in some important words. 93 fans chose hamburgers and the rest picked hot dogs. Go ahead and draw your line down and show me two different ways you can solve this equation. Go. If you're back, that means you have an answer. So let's go ahead and get started. I know that I'm looking at hamburgers, hot dogs, and then just the total. And I'm trying to figure out how many hot dogs, because that's what I don't know. I know that 93 chose hamburgers and 141 fans in total ate. So when I'm looking at that, I need to do 93 plus blank equals 141. But I don't want to just guess. So I can flip-flop that and I can say, well, 141 minus 93 will give me that missing one, right? Because I'm taking the total, I'm subtracting or getting rid of the people who chose hamburgers because I don't need them, and then that'll tell me how many chose hot dogs instead. So let's go ahead and let's do 141 minus 93. If you did not get an answer, I want you to pause right now and solve this. All right, so let's see. Well, I can't do 1 minus 3, so I have to borrow from the 4. So the 4 becomes a 3, and this 1 over here becomes 11. So now I can do 11 minus 3. So 11 minus 3, 8. Can't do 3 minus 9, so I have to borrow again. This becomes a 0. This becomes a 13. 13 minus 9, 4. So now I know that 48 people chose hot dogs. Okay, 48 people or fans chose hot dogs. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to check this. So if I do 93 plus 48, that should give me 141. So let's check this real quick. Here's our check. 93 plus 48. 3 plus 8, 11. Carry the 1 up. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 141. It checks out. So now I know that is, in fact, true. Go ahead and see if you can do another way if you haven't already, since now you know what it should come out to be. Go. All right, so we can do this another way if we want to see a little bit more visuals of what we want. So I can go ahead and I can draw my little chart here. Try to make it nice and neat. Got my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. Now, I can do this a couple different ways, but I'm going to show you just the one way you can do this. So I know that my total is 141, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw that in here. 100, I need 4, and 1. Okay? And now I know that I need to figure out how many chose hot dogs. 93 chose hamburgers, so again, I can get rid of those. So then I would get rid of 93 to see what I have left over. So I need to get rid of 93 of them. Well, I can't get rid of 90 because I only have 4 here, so I need to borrow from this. So I would take this and put that over here. That's 10 of them because 10 tens will make that 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross that out because it's gone now because I put it over here. Now I can cross off 9 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. Now I need to cross off 3, but again, I don't have that, so I'm going to take one of these little fellas and bring it over here. Take this one. Just going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross that guy out because he's done. Now I need to cross off 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. Now I should be able to see the ones left over, which are the ones that chose hot dogs. So let's go ahead and let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that gives me my answer of 48, which is the same as before. So here's 2 different ways that you could have done it. There are many other ways you can though. Make sure you've checked out the other 2 videos for the day. You've got onto Freckle and you've got onto Zearn. Please, ladies, let's make sure that we are trying our best of getting onto those websites and that we're doing our daily packet for the day. All right, have a fabulous day.